everybody. I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I want to talk about stretching that last week of your grocery haul. It's not in your budget to quite go grocery shopping quite yet, but you're needing some food, but you have a few items in your pantry, and I know you have this. Alright guys, so these are Ramen noodles, and I'm going to talk about how to make these very healthy and hearty for you. As a kid, I used to eat these all the time, but I have to say, I did not make them healthy at all. They were so good. I would make these with condensed milk, butter, cheese, and I would add sugar to it, and it was just creamy, delicious, sweet spaghetti type dish. It was so good, but it was not healthy at all. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how we can make this healthy. So we're going to use only half of the packet inside of this, okay? This is chicken flavor, so we're going to use only half of it, and then we're going to add our own spice, which is alright guys, so we're going to add turmeric to our noodles. This is so healthy for you. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps prevent cancer. It's good for oral hygiene, so it helps with preventing tooth decay. You could use this as a tea. It's so good for your health. It helps with digestion, and also it helps with liver health as well. Yeah guys, so turmeric been around for 100 years. It's really healthy for you. So you add just a little bit to your noodles, and it's going to give it some flavor. I'm definitely going to add turmeric to more of my meals for now on, because it's really healthy for you. All right, so definitely add a little bit of turmeric, and then you're going to add a vegetable. Now you can make this for your husband, your boyfriend, okay? You can make this very hearty. So basically what you're going to do, if you're going to make this for a meal, I would definitely say add hearty vegetables such as carrots and spinach, broccoli, corn, like loaded in there. You can add mushrooms. It would be so good. I love to add broccoli or spinach, and then I would have a fruit with it, and I would drink lots of water, and it makes me so full. Like I said guys, it's so delicious, and it's perfect for the winter months when it's chilly outside and you just want something nice and warm, but you don't have all the ingredients to make chili. So anyways, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.